Equity is one of the most powerful resources a startup has. It helps you hire when cash is tight, it aligns people with the long-term outcome, and it comes with real legal and tax constraints. For tax and securities law reasons, compensatory equity is issued through an equity incentive plan. The plan is approved by the board and stockholders and reserves a portion of total equity for the team, often around 10%. Once that pool is used up, increasing it means dilution and approvals. One key constraint: equity under a plan can only be granted to human beings who are providing services to the company. Equity grants are priced at the fair market value of the company's common stock. Boards usually rely on an independent 409A valuation to set it. As the company grows, fair market value typically rises, and financing and other major events can require a new valuation. That single fact drives many equity decisions. Options versus stock. Most equity grants are stock options. An option gives someone the right to buy stock later at a fixed price. Until they exercise, they don't own any shares. Employees often receive ISOs, which can have favorable tax treatment if certain rules are met. Contractors and advisors receive NSOs, which are more flexible but generally taxed less favorably. Restricted stock is actual stock issued and paid for upfront. When the fair market value is low, that can make sense. When the value is higher, options are often the better tool. Vesting and 83B. Most startup equity vests over time. For employees, that's often 4 years with a 1-year cliff. Vesting can also be performance-based or milestone-based and may include acceleration. Creativity is allowed, clarity is required. If restricted stock vests, the 83B election matters. It lets the recipient be taxed when value is low. The deadline is strict. Miss it, and the tax cost can be significant. Issuing equity in practice. The company has a plan and reserve shares. The board sets the fair market value. The board approves the grant. Documents are signed. The cap table is updated. Waiting to paper it later often means a higher fair market value. That hurts the very people you're trying to incentivize. Don't just promise equity, grant it.